Hi, today I'm going to show you the exact steps to create pro-level football win poster right inside Canva in minutes. Let's go. Open Canva and I will choose social media, Instagram posts. First add a stadium. On the element photos, I will choose this one and then increase the size like this. Change the background color to black. And then go to element again and type here black blur. I will use this one, black fade, and I'll place it here. Okay. And then select the stadium again and reduce the transparency to about 40, enter. Back to element and add a letter element like this one, a big W. And then change the color to the color of your team. For example, I will choose the Packers. I will change it to this yellow, gold, I mean. All right. And then I will add the helmet here. I generated the helmet using this from. You can get the prompt on the description. Okay, and this is the result. Choose one of them. I will choose this one. Download. And then back to our page and then upload here. And remove the background. All right, and then place it here. I will increase the size of the W and then duplicate, edit, dual tone, custom, change highlight to black, and then close, edit again, and then blur, whole image, make it 50, enter, close, and then change the transparency to about 60, enter, place it here, and then send to backward. Now let's write the text. Change the font color to white. And then change the font to a bold font like League Spartan. Place in the center. Back to element. And then as the packers is gold and green, so add the green smoke fog. I'll place it in the bottom here. And if your team color is blue or other color, just click here and change to the other color, maybe red or orange or blue. Okay, now I will make it back to green. Back to element and then add a fog, overlay haze, smoke fog. I will place it or increase the size here and place it here. Reduce the transparency about 75. I think I should reduce it 60, enter. Okay. And then add the green fog here. Reduce the transparency about 50, enter. All right. And then go to position, layers, and I will select these two fogs and I will group them and then duplicate. I will move it here, but I will send it behind the W. All right, and increase the size, reduce the transparency more. Okay. And then add a tagline here, place in the center, also add a score here. So now we have it. And then click share, download PNG, and click download and share to your social media to support your team. So I hope it helps you. See you next video and have fun with Canva.